I taught my son Evan how to wrap wontons when he was 4, and now he thinks he makes them better than I do.
Because I do.
Well, today we're gonna find out if it's true. We're using a whole pack of wonton wrappers. We'll wrap them all, then count who made more and whose look better.
And you'll be the judge.
Before we start the wrapping challenge, I'm going to show you how to fix the #1 problem with homemade wontons, dry filling. First, we add sauce and spices. Then crack in an egg. The egg helps bind the filling, make it juicy and easier to wrap. Here's the secret to juicy ground pork. For each pound of meat, add 1/4 cup of water in 3 batches. After each pour, stir fast in one direction until the meat fully soaks it up and feels sticky and springy. And finally, a little splash of hot oil. It brings out the aroma and seals in the moisture. That's the secret to juicy, tasty wonton filling every single time. If you love little kitchen tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty more to share. Okay, are you ready, Evan?
Yeah.
All right. Why do you do that?
So I can grab them easily.
Ah, good idea.
Ha! Alright. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I got 21. 31. Obviously, Mom, you made more than me, but I think mine are prettier.
That does look really good. But mine's pretty too. Look.
Not as pretty as mine.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
All right, let's have this confident little chef show us how it's done.
You're going to grab some filling, put it in the center of the wonton wrap. You don't want to put too much, neither do you want to put too little. Now you're going to fold it like a piece of paper and press around the filling. Then you grab a dab of water and put it on one of the corners. Now you use your middle finger to press the middle, almost like you're folding it, and then press the corners to each other. And there, you have a wonton.
That looks perfect.
Wait, don't leave yet. We're gonna show you 3 amazing ways to cook your wontons. And don't forget to vote and subscribe. Archer, dinner.
Is it good?
Super.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.